In this video, I'm going to show you how to toggle in between applications so that you can do the step-by-step procedures by watching the video, pausing the video, toggling over to the application you're working in, doing the work, saving the work, and then toggling back. So this is the file we've been working on in Photoshop, and it's a Brad Pitt and a tiger. We've got layers over here with layer masks, and we've been deleting from the layer mask. So I'm ready for the next step. So I'm going to save this file by hitting Command S. Then I'm going to hold my thumb on the Command key, tap the Tab key over to Firefox. So I tapped it twice, and then I just let go of the Command key. This comes up because Weebly is the place where I've got the videos stored and you're previewing them from. So now I'm going to go down to the left corner and start the video, and you'll hear my voice go to the next step. I'm just going to let it play, and then I'm going to do the step that it shows you to do on here.
In order to get the details, since I don't like the way this looks over here, in order to get the details the way I want them, I want to reduce the brush, and the way to do that, if you look at your keyboard right next to the letter P, there are a couple of brackets. Watch what happens to the cursor when I hit the left bracket. It gets smaller. That's how you erase details. It's the bracket key, and it's right next to the letter P on your keyboard. So if I want to bring some of his face back, make sure you're on the layer mask and reverse this with this little angled arrow on the lower left-hand corner in the toolbar. Now I can bring it back. So this is where you're going to get some of the details.
Go say I've stopped the video here. Now again, I'm going to hold my thumb on the Command key, tap the Tab key, and tab over into Photoshop and do what I just showed you doing. So I'm reducing the brush by hitting the left bracket next to the letter P on your keyboard and going in and doing the erasing in fine details around Brad Pitt's head here. But that's not what I'm here to do. I'm just here to show you how to tab in between applications. So again, the video is paused in the other application. So I'm going to hold my thumb on the Command key and tap the Tab key again. It'll go back into Firefox. You'll always see this come up when you're in full screen in Weebly. And then I can watch a little more of the video.
And you can keep fine-tuning this until you get it perfectly.
So that's how you tab in between applications. Again, I'm going to hold the Tab key or the Command key down and tap the Tab key. Go back into Photoshop. Do some more erasing in here. Always from the layer mask, not from the layer itself. Then I'm going to save this by hitting Command S and then continue watching the video by again holding the Command key down and tapping the Tab key. And you can tab back and forth as many times as you need to. You can pause the video. I'm going to turn the video on and then pause it again and then go back a couple of steps.
You like it. It's okay if it merges.
So on this timeline down here on the bottom, I can move this back and forth, and it'll go to the various parts of the video and show you how to start and stop. If you miss a point, you can go back, you can go forward, you can put this anywhere you want and continue watching the video.